Welcome to CoreDrive, your ultimate guide to keeping your car running like a dream. Let's drive smarter, not harder. Did you know that skipping regular car maintenance can cost you thousands in repairs? Imagine being stranded on the side of the road because of a simple issue that could have been prevented. Whether it's a neglected oil change, worn-out brakes, or tires, these small components play a crucial role in your vehicle's performance and safety. The smallest oversight can lead to big headaches, turning a minor inconvenience into a major problem. At CoreDrive, we're here to help you take control of your car's health. Our expert mechanics provide comprehensive services to keep your vehicle running smoothly, so you can drive with confidence, knowing that your car is in top condition. Regular maintenance not only saves you money but also ensures your safety on the road. Let's start with one of the most crucial tasks: the oil change. Regular oil changes are essential for maintaining your car's performance and longevity. Think of engine oil as the lifeblood of your car. It ensures that all the moving parts of the engine operate smoothly and efficiently. It keeps your engine lubricated, prevents overheating, and reduces wear and tear. Without proper lubrication, your engine can suffer significant damage over time. So how often should you change it? This is a common question among car owners. Check your car's manual for the manufacturer's recommendation, but a good rule of thumb is every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers or 3,000 to 6,000 miles. This interval can vary based on your driving habits and conditions. And here's a quick tip: always check your oil levels monthly. Regular checks can help you catch any potential issues early. A simple dipstick check can save you from unexpected breakdowns. Keeping an eye on your oil level ensures that your engine remains in top condition and can prevent costly repairs down the road. At CoreDrive, we simplify car maintenance for everyone, whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out. Our platform offers step-by-step guides, expert advice, and a supportive community to help you tackle any car issue with confidence. By following our tips, you'll save money, stay safer, and keep your car running longer. Imagine the satisfaction of fixing your own car and the peace of mind that comes with it. So why not join the CoreDrive community today? Connect with fellow car enthusiasts, share your experiences, and learn from the best. Together we drive smarter. Thanks for watching CoreDrive. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more car care tips. Remember, when you take care of your car takes care of you. See you in the next video.